Are you looking for the best 3D printer for FDM? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer for FDM on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BIQU B1 FDM 3D printer. The BIQU B1 and Creality Ender 3 V2 are both popular FDM 3D printers offering excellent value in the budget segment. The BIQU B1 features a slightly larger build volume of 235 by 235 by 270 mm, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, SKR version 1. For 32-bit motherboard, and supports PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU filaments. It also includes dual UI systems, RGB lighting, a spring steel magnetic build plate, filament runout detection, and BL Touch compatibility. The Ender 3 V2 has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, a 4.3-inch color LCD, 32-bit silent motherboard, and supports PLA, TPU, and PETG. Its notable features include a tempered glass bed, resume printing function, ultra-quiet operation, and an improved interface. Both printers come as partially assembled kits and are priced similarly, around $200 to $250, with the choice largely depending on whether a user prefers BIQU B1's extra features and larger volume or the Ender 3 V2's silent operation and tempered glass bed. Number 2. Artillery Sidewinder X1. The Artillery Sidewinder X1 V4 is a feature-rich FDM 3D printer with a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, suitable for sizable projects. It features a direct drive extruder compatible with PLA, ABS, TPU, and PVA, and operates quietly with ultra-quiet stepper drivers. The printer includes a rapid heating AC heated bed, a glass ceramic build plate for excellent adhesion, and manual bed leveling. The V4 model adds a convenient reset button for easier error recovery. With 95% pre-assembly, setup takes approximately 20 minutes, making it accessible for beginners while still appealing to experienced users seeking a reliable and quiet 3D printing solution. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3 V2. The Creality Ender 3 V2 is a versatile FDM 3D printer that offers a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, making it suitable for a wide range of printing projects. It features a silent 32-bit motherboard that ensures quiet operation, and a UL-certified Meanwell power supply for safe and efficient power delivery. The printer is equipped with a carborundum glass build plate, which allows for faster heating and improved adhesion, resulting in smoother first layers and easier print removal. The resume printing function enables the printer to continue from the last recorded position after unexpected power outages, minimizing print failures and material waste. Additionally, the 4.3-inch color LCD screen provides an intuitive user interface for easy navigation and control. Overall, the Ender 3 V2 combines reliability, safety, and user-friendly features, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a compact and user-friendly FDM 3D printer designed for beginners and educational environments. It features a fully enclosed build chamber, ensuring safety and temperature stability, which is particularly beneficial when printing with materials like ABS. The printer boasts a removable heated build plate measuring 150 by 150 by 150 mm, facilitating easy print removal and maintenance. Equipped with a 2.8-inch color IPS touchscreen, it offers an intuitive interface for seamless operation. The Voxel supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and specialty filaments like woodfill and copperfill, and operates at a maximum print speed of 60 mm per second. Its assisted auto bed leveling simplifies setup, while the quick change nozzle assembly allows for tool-free maintenance. With 8 GB of internal memory, users can store multiple print files directly on the printer. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, enabling remote monitoring and control, and a built-in camera for real-time print observation. The Voxel is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and supports multiple file formats such as 3MF, STL, OBJ, and BMP. Its compact dimensions, 15.7 inches by 15.0 inches by 15.9 inches, make it suitable for desktop use in various settings. Overall, the Monoprice Voxel offers a blend of ease of use, versatility, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for those new to 3D printing. Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a high-performance FDM 3D printer featuring a Core XY all-metal structure that provides stability and reduces vibrations, enabling printing speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 ms². It offers a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm and supports multiple nozzle sizes, including 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm, and 0.25 mm, allowing for versatile print resolutions and material compatibility. The printer includes a full auto leveling system for precise first layers, an auxiliary chamber cooling system to prevent warping, and operates quietly at less than or equal to 50 dB, making it suitable for classrooms or home offices. Additional features include a built-in camera for remote monitoring, a 4.3-inch touchscreen for intuitive control, and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy file transfers, combining speed, precision, and user-friendly operation in a reliable 3D printing solution.